gonna open some. Open.
Okay, open.
This is cool, my. Ooh, so many bread, guys. Wow.
What's-
Cool, guys. Hello Kitty. Wow. It's my coin. I love it. It's my so cool. Wow. Cool. What is this, guys? Let's see. Let's open this up. Yeah. Next one. What is this, Lola?
That's Lola's leggings.
Here, Lola.
Okay, open for Lola.
Okay.
Lola's leggings. Yeah, that's my leggings.
Here you go, Lola.
Okay, put there. Alright.
There's another one.
Oh, don't open that one. That is for Pandi.
Oh, yeah. My
Open that.
wallet.
Open the wallet and then put your money there.
Yes.
Mm. It's nice, Kai.
It's lovely, guys.
Okay, open the wallet. Oh, wow.
What is this?
Oh, wow. So nice, Kai.
It is. There's something in the hole.
Okay.
I love it, guys.
So what you say to Lola?
Thank you, Mama.
No, don't. That is your purse. Open it.
What?
That is your shoulder
Look
bag.
at it.
That is your shoulder bag. Yes, sir.
Have you tried it?
Bye-bye. Have a nice day.